Did you know you can create your own AI sticker just by drawing with the S Pen on the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra? Using Creative Studio, you can turn a simple sketch into a style sticker that can be used in messages. Let me show you how it works. First, remove the S Pen to open the Air command menu. Then tap Creative Studio. Under the Design Studio section, tap Create Sticker button. Next, tap the Add Sketch icon above the prompt field. Now use the S Pen to draw your sticker. For example, you can draw something simple like a smiley face or a small character. When you are done drawing, tap Done. If needed, you can change the sticker style by tapping the style icon. Here you will see different styles such as vivid, figurine, polygon, anime, and ants. For a hand-drawn sticker, the doodle style works very well because it keeps the playful look of your sketch. After choosing the style, tap the Generate button. Your phone will process the drawing and create the sticker. When the generation is finished, tap the download icon at the top right. Then tap Save as Sticker. Next, choose the sticker style. Options include original, outline, cutout, vintage, and cartoon. For this type of sticker, cutout usually works best because it keeps the drawing clean and remove unnecessary background. Then tap Done. The sticker will automatically be added to your Galaxy AI sticker collection. To use it, open the keyboard in a messaging app. Tap the emoji icon. Then tap the Galaxy AI sticker icon. And you will see your newly created sticker here. Even without typing a prompt, you can easily turn your own hand drawing into a fun AI generated sticker on the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.